What's up, everybody? DRG here. Yeah, I've just really had it with this. I'm not gonna rant and rave. You probably won't hear many F-bombs, if any at all, in this video. This one's gonna be a little bit more calm, because, you know, the flat earthers are just gonna say, oh, I'm getting all emotional, and that's my problem. I'm not focusing. I'm just mad. When I'm not mad, I'm angry that you people are believing lies, but, you know, I'm not emotionally upset by it. You know, that's on you, dude. You know, if you want to believe that, then go right ahead. What I'm going to do here is show you that your very own flat earth videos prove the curvature of the earth. Okay? And that's what we have here on the screen. This picture here, you see this picture? This is a picture from a flat earth video, and they're depicting what they term a ball earth, even though they can't even draw a ball, right? They can't get a perfect circle going here. And they're going to show you this guy that's the same size as this f***ing building. Oh, sorry. The same size as this building over here on the left. You know, which this is not a physical depiction of reality, for one. You know, and two, you have no distances here. You have nothing going on for you. So what is this? Is this 20 miles? Definitely not. If I was to base this on the actual curvature of the earth, we would probably be looking at anywhere between 3,000 to 5,000 miles across an ocean to see this building. And yes, from that perspective, it would be tilted, but you can't see it because this genius thinks that he can take this image here, this 20-mile thing that he's going to film from the beach over here, right? He's going to show you that because what he films here over this 20-mile area, you know, a 20-mile thing, which this image does not, you know, this is not 20 miles. You see what I'm saying? So they're going to fool you. They're going to make you think that that's the perspective you're supposed to see from this map here. And then he jumps to the camera and he goes to the beach, and note that he is already standing anywhere from 8 to 12 feet above sea level. Above sea level. So he's already got a further shot of the horizon as it is. And then he goes on, he zooms in, look, and he zooms into these buildings across this 20-mile bay, right? The 20-mile bay. And he's proving that there's curvature of the earth right here over this 20-mile shot, okay? Because if it was flat, we would see the streets, the street corners, all the street lights, the bottoms of the buildings, the doorway entrances, okay? And that's what I'm saying. This person's supposed flat earth proof proves the earth is round. It proves the earth is round. You can keep going. Look, each shot, do they look slanted? Again, trying to make you think that this is what you're supposed to be seeing. Something that's a depiction of at least 4,000 freaking miles. And then he shows you this, which is a depiction of 20 miles, and expects these buildings to be leaning back. Okay? When really, if the earth was flat, again, you would see the bottoms of these buildings. Okay? Does it look level flat? Can I speak no English? No, it looks like it's curvature because I don't see the bottoms of the buildings. I see the horizon and I see the buildings going around and over the curvature of the earth, hiding the bottoms of the buildings. That's what I see. The buildings aren't supposed to be slanted because we're not staring at a 5,000-mile shot. And we're also not the size of a goddamn building. Okay? This is not science. They don't do science over here with the flat earth people. So here's another shot. I took a bunch of shots because he's proving, look at this, he's proving the curvature of the earth. He proves it. We would see the bottom of the bridge. And now he's saying that the earth is flat, Jack. You know? And the only thing, not to be insulting, but the only thing flat is this top surface of your block head. God damn, man. You know? Here's another perfect shot with a boat that's probably only a mile away from the freaking guy, and then the buildings are like 8 or 9 miles away from the guy, and if the earth was flat, we would see the freaking street running in front of the building along the water. We'd see all the cars on the highway that's there. We would see all that stuff. We wouldn't see this boat. You know what I'm saying? It'd be flat. He'd be looking over the boat. But he's not. Again, a perfect shot of curvature of the earth. Curvature of the earth. Okay, you guys need perspective. But you obviously think that this proves the earth is flat somehow, when in all scientific means and mathematics, what you're showing me is curvature of the earth. You're proving the earth is round. Cut it out, man. Windows sucks. And here's who they blame. You know? Yeah, that's all the shots I took. But this is who they blame. They go, look, here's the flat earth. It's on the UN logo. Right. Yeah, and this, all these olive leaves are the Great Edge Ice Wall, and blah, blah, blah. And Australia's missing. And god damn. Yeah, because they're looking at the world like this. This ridiculous perspective. You know? And so in this footage that this person has shot, they prove that there's curvature in the earth, and they're putting text saying that it's flat. So obviously they think what they're seeing proves that it's flat, meaning that they can't have any scientific knowledge of mathematics or cosmology or geology or anything like that, because they think that these buildings should be tipping back from 20 miles away, you know? And it's because this is how they see it. All out of whack. All out of perspective. They're judging some 5,000 mile perspective thing here and assuming that they should be seeing it over a 20-mile span. And with that said, you know, you need more perspective. This is proof of curvature over just a 20-mile span, okay? And that's the point here. You're proving curvature over your tiny little 20-mile span while mocking, using this ridiculous image to mock the actual curvature at the same time. That's hypocrisy. That's lying. You guys are either complete fools or you're blatantly, purposely being paid to lie. And with that, the earth is a sphere. You've proven it yourselves. And that's that, man. Thank you. Adios.